So we'll just start with our fundamentals. Y equals to 4x to the power 5 plus 3x cubed plus 2c. Now I'm asking what must be the value of c. Now it's a 5-degree polynomial. It's a very easy question. You will solve it orally. Don't use your pen. What must be the value of c so that it will have 3 real root and 2 imaginary?
Sir,
It's
no
very
possible
important.
value,
No,
sir.
sir, no.
No possible values, right?
Yes, sir.
No,
F
sir, no.
dash x 20x to the power 4 and 9x square. It is always a positive thing.
Positive
F dash x
increase.
is always positive. If f dash x is always positive, that means the function is always increasing. It's an odd degree polynomial, so it will come from minus infinity, right? And it will go till infinity.
Sir, you said that one of the roots should be real and the
No,
other two should
I
be.
have said 3 real roots and 2 imaginary.
So if there are two imaginary roots, then can this case be possible that in this case there would be two imaginary roots?
In this
In
case,
the
there are 4
graph,
imaginary roots because there is only one real root, you know.
and the power is 5. Yes, yes, yes. I
Yes, so there are the
understood.
4 imaginary
Yes.
roots, right?
Yeah, yeah.
3 real and 2 imaginary roots. After differentiating it, I have observed that it is completely positive. So from minus infinity to infinity, it is always increasing. It will cut x-axis at only one point. So it will have only one real root and the remaining 4 roots will be imaginary. So there is no possibility that it will have 3 real roots. So there is no value of c possible, right? One more. Okay, now I'll see who will answer this. Now I'm having fun. This is a cubic polynomial. I have given you the equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d where a, b, c, d are the constants. Now I'm saying this curve is symmetric about x equal to k. This cubic polynomial or this equation, this curve, what must be the value of a plus k? It is a cubic polynomial. You know that what will be the range. So I'll ask Sumit, don't answer it, just nod if you think I'm right. It is a cubic polynomial, so I'll say the range will be R.
Okay.
It will yield all real values, right?
Yes.
So it will go from minus infinity to infinity. I don't know, it will be like this, it will be like anything, but from minus infinity to infinity, right? Any odd degree polynomial can
Yes,
never
sir.
be symmetric about any line x equal to k, can never be symmetric about any line, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Suppose I'm drawing x equal to k here, it is not symmetric. If I'm drawing
Yes,
x equal to k, it is not symmetric about k. Because if you're saying that any graph is symmetric about any line, suppose if I'm saying any graph is symmetric about x equal to a, I'll draw it here. The line, suppose this is the line x equals to a. If the function is symmetric about it, that means any value if you are writing, if you're giving it a plus x, the same will come at a minus x also, right?
yes, sir.
But in
X
cubic
square.
polynomial,
Uh,
whatever be the equation, in the cubic polynomial, at x equal to infinity, it is giving infinity, but x equal to minus infinity is giving minus infinity. So it is not symmetric about any line.
yes.
So it is not possible here. But they have told us that it is possible. It is symmetric about x equal to k. So the only case which is possible here that a must be 0. So if a is equal to 0, it will be a quadratic equation and every even degree polynomial is symmetric about the line. Quadratic equation is symmetric about its vertex. See, if I'm drawing this line, it is symmetric about it. And the line is x equal to minus b by 2a. Here the vertex will be minus c by 2b. So this quadratic equation is symmetric about this line. If I'm saying y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, Suraj will get it now. Suraj, if I'm drawing this quadratic equation, what will be the vertex minus b by 2a? I'm drawing this line here. Now you can see this is symmetric about this line. It is symmetric about x equal to minus a. It is the mirror image. So the k will be minus b, c by 2b. Answer will be a plus k. 0 plus minus c by 2b. It is minus c by 2b. So one thing we have learned right now. No cubic polynomial will be, or a 5 degree polynomial will be symmetric about x equal to k.